Welcome back, STEM team! While the finals week is coming up, let's learn how to build a simple circuit with the temperature and humidity sensor. We're going to start with connecting 3 jumper wires to the Arduino Uno. Black to the ground pin, white to the 5V pin, and red to the pin number 2. To build the connection between the Arduino and the breadboard, let's connect the black wire to the negative wiring rail and connect the white wire to the positive. Now let's connect the power rails to the terminals. Also, don't forget about connecting the red wire to the breadboard. I also decided to add a pull-up resistor, building a bridge between the positive and signal pins. Later, it will help us prevent sensor reading failures by stabilizing communication. Time to move this aside. Let's install the DHT sensor. My sensor has 3 pins: positive, out, and negative. There is also a variation where pins are VCC, out, and GND. We need to connect the white wire to the positive or VCC, black to negative or GND, and our output to the red wire. Here's a better view on the assembled circuit. Moving to the coding component of this project. First of all, I added the library associated with the sensor. Then I defined the pin related to data communication for the sensor and the sensor type as well. In the setup function, I started serial communication at the 9600 baud rate and initialized the sensor. The loop function reads humidity and temperature. If the reading is invalid, the serial monitor prints the following error message. These lines format the data. To read the sensor, we need to first upload the code. It will get compiled, and then there will be a done uploading message. Just like this. Then hit the serial monitor icon, and that's our current readings. Here's the final result.